Also, my TV stand just came, so we're about to put this bad boy together.
Got a little nervous. You see this tip right here, but it says only for packaging, so. Hardware. Looks pretty cool so far. Just looking for some directions. Nope, not in here. Found the directions. Okay, this is piece number 1.
So yeah, I suggest that you put your furniture together on a soft surface. As you can see, mine is on this styrofoam. Don't just put your furniture together on the hard floor because you can damage it that way. So yeah.
One page of directions down. Hella more to go.
So I thought I was missing a couple of pieces. Something was not adding up. So I was just looking through the directions to see what the hell was going on because I was stumped.
So what's up, guys? Excuse the lighting. I'm about to give you a very important tip. So if you order the Eglinton TV Stand for TVs up to 65 inches with electric fireplace, this tip will save you like 30 minutes. I just called Wayfair. So when you put when you get to the step where it says letter W and you see these extenders, I put the whole thing on. You're not gonna put the whole thing on like I did. Those pieces separate into 2 other pieces like these. I'm gonna show you how to separate them, okay? This is a major step. I have a science degree and I was totally confused. I'm gonna show you. Hang on. All right, so I just went and grabbed my ring light because I feel like you will be able to see it better. So you see this, you pull it out. You see this little plastic thing right here? Right here, this lever. Okay, so this little lever thingy right here, right? The man on the phone told me to just like press it, like wiggle it. And you see that? So I pressed it this way and it slides out. So it's gonna be 2 pieces. This part had me tripped out because I literally put it on the piece and I was like, when I went to go, the step that called for this piece, I was like, I'm missing it. I wasn't missing it, I just missed the step. So we got that. Again, this is another part. This side right here, pull it out. Maybe I could just use, I don't probably need these scissors. Just press it. Boom, it slides right on out. All right, so whoops. Now you have piece number 7. Let's zoom this out. Piece number 7, right? So this is how it should look. And as you can see, so piece number 7. Boing, boing. Now I gotta go put the other ones on piece number 6. And then when you get to piece number 16, this is how it should be on. So like that. And then piece number, this is piece number 18. Like that. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys out, because the directions are basura, trash. So if you don't get it, it ain't you. It's the people who created the directions, okay? So I'm gonna put the drawer sliders on and then I'll be right back, okay?
You ever want something that you know you shouldn't have? The more you know you shouldn't have it, the more you want it. And then one day, you get it. It's so good to you. But it's just like my girl. When she's around me, I just feel so good. So good. But right now, I just feel cold. So cold. Right down to my bones. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. And she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, yeah. Wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone to stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone.
Y'all, I was super duper confused at how I was supposed to put this fireplace inside of this TV stand. So I ended up just walking around the back of the TV stand and pushing it through, and that's how I got it to snap into place. So now here I am trying to put the drawers in. That took me forever and a day to put the little black side latches on. I don't even know what you call those. Can't think of it off the top of my head. And here I am having trouble putting the drawer in, and I was panicking a little bit because I was like, I just spent like an hour on these drawers each trying to put the latches on correct. So here I am just struggling, but not trying to force it because I didn't want to damage anything. But I eventually got the drawers in and I was happy. So yes, success. So here I am just testing out the knobs, making sure that the heat comes on and that the light comes on. Everything was all good, so I was happy. And so I read the reviews and it says that the furniture is very soft and it gets scratched easily. So I put this non-stick clear contact paper on top to protect the top of the TV stand.
that's it. So now we're gonna put our pictures in the drawers.